Hi, I'm Tony Stanky from Case IH. Today we'll be discussing how to set up and use the container function in the Pro 700 monitor. The container function can be used to monitor the amount of product still remaining on your planner. To set up a container, go to Toolbox and then scroll across the bottom to Container. Right now there's no containers made up, so let's go highlight and create a new. And I'm going to call this FERT, for liquid fertilizer. For fertilizer, it's going to be a volume type measurement. We get our choices are mass or volume. Capacity, liquid fertilizer on this planner is 400 gallons. The warning type is going to be a value. The warning type is going to be, I'm going to set 2%. And when the product gets down to 10% of being out, it'll give me a warning. And our time tracking is disabled. Once you have the container set up, the next step will be to come back to your work condition, layer tab, and you will assign that container to one of your layers. So we're doing the liquid right now. So we come and we assign our fertilizer work condition or container to the work condition. Once that is done, to view your container level, we'll have to come back to Toolbox, Layout, and I'm going to put this on Run Screen 6. So I come to Run Screen 6 and I want to find Container 3 and put that on our Run Screen 6. Now when we look at our Run 6, our fertilizer container is there and it's 0% full. When we go ahead and fill the planner, let's say the initial fill, we're going to fill it to capacity. Now we're 100% full, and as you apply product, you will see that level gradually go down as the product is applied to the field. For more information on setting up the container function, please refer to your operator's manual or speak with your Case IH dealer.